If you're preparing for coding interviews, you already know the struggle. You read a LeetCode solution, you think you get it, then you sit down to code it and your mind goes blank. Static explanations don't stick. AlgoVision fixes that. AlgoVision is an interactive algorithm animation platform where every step of the code is synced with a visual animation. You don't just read the TOSUM uses a hash map. You watch the hash map build entry by entry, see the complement calculation happen in real time, and watch the O of one lookup find the matching pair. There are 35 problems live right now across 8 categories: linked lists, arrays and hashing, trees, two-pointers, sliding window, graphs, tries, and dynamic programming. Over 75 more are on the way, with new problems added every week. Every problem has play, step, and reset controls, adjustable speed, a built-in whiteboard, and a type it mode where you implement the solution from memory. You control the pace. Try it free at ifusionsoft.com/algovision.